Hello, my dear student. We are having one question from a workout example of SCV, and the first question we are going to solve here. Uh, Question is saying that a charge of 2.0 microcoulomb is moving with a speed 2 into 10 to power 6 meter per second along the positive x-axis, and the magnetic field B strength 0.2 jk plus 0.4 kk exists in the space. Find the magnetic force acting on the particle. So here the magnetic force, we can use the formula for the magnetic force directly, and this force vector is equal to q v vector cross b vector. It is the in the direction of cross product of velocity vector and magnetic field vector. Now here the velocity is in positive x direction, so we can represent this velocity in terms of in vector form. So it can written as 2 into 10 raised to power 6 I cap, because it is in x direction. So you can use I cap here, and meter per second. Okay, and the magnetic field is 0.2 jk plus 0.4 kk Tesla is given. Okay, now if you are just placing the value of this velocity, magnetic field and q in this formula of magnetic force. So this q is equal to 2 into 10 raised to power minus 6, because it is in microcoulomb. And the velocity, to find the cross product of this velocity vector and magnetic field vector, we can use the concept of determinant. So it is I cap, j cap and k cap. Okay, the coefficient of velocity is 2 into 10 raised to power 6. Okay, and 0 0. So what we can do, we can take common this 2 into 10 raised to power 6 outside from the determinant. So the coefficient, this 2 into 10 raised to power plus 6, again multiply with this 2 into 10 raised to power minus 6, and this coefficient will become 1. Okay, and the coefficient of magnetic field, I coefficient is 0, j coefficient is 0.2, and k coefficient is 0.4. So by taking common this 2 into 10 raised to power plus 6, our calculation will become little bit easy. So this will cancel out and it will become 4 times. Now if you are solving for I cap, so it will be 0, because when 0 will multiply with 0.4, and this 0 again will multiply with 0.2, so it will be 0 minus j cap we will write again. Now this 1 will multiply with 0.4. Okay, and 0 will multiply with 0 plus k cap. So for the k cap, to solve this k cap, this 1 will multiply with 0.2, and 0 multiply, so minus 0. Okay, so 4, this term will be 0 and it will be minus 0.4 j cap, that is the coefficient of j, and 0.2 k cap. Okay, if we are multiplying this 4 inside the bracket, we will get minus 1.6 j cap and plus 0.8 k cap, and this force should be in Newton. If you want to find the magnitude of this force, so you can find the magnitude of this also. Thank you very much.